Welcome back. You can use Canva to set up your Facebook page or event. So for example, if you were to write in Facebook, what you'll see here is that you can have a Facebook event cover, and that's going to be a specific size, 1920 pixels by 1080 pixels. You're then going to click Facebook event cover. That's going to open up into this canvas, and you're going to have templates that you can use for your Facebook event cover. And because these are going to be higher resolution, they're going to appear well to get attention for your Facebook event. And so as always, what you're going to want to do is to start with your keyword. What you'll want to do is you'll want to choose one of the free templates. And what you can do is you can change the background to one of your brand colors. You can also go to your folders and add in your logo. As we have done in the past, you can change your font to your brand font, and your brand font should already be uploaded to your brand kit, and you can add in a previously used image from your elements page. Of course, we can size this element down, and as long as we have it highlighted, we can change the orientation. Now, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to download the photo to your hard drive and then re-upload it into your event page on Facebook. So we're going to click the download button, and we're going to choose a file type. In this case, we're going to choose a PNG. We're then going to click download. Canva will prepare our design, and then we will download the image. Then what we'll do is we'll then go to Facebook, to our event page, and what we're going to do is we're going to click add cover photo. We're then going to grab the photo from our hard drive. We'll then save the image, and will then be part of our event cover. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.